A heat wave in Greenland and a storm in Antarctica due to climate change are the short-term phenomenon. However, they can have a much longer effect on world's largest ice sheets. Furthermore, it may even lead to tipping points being crossed in the polar regions. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the global sea level is predicted to rise by anywhere between 28 centimeters and 100 centimeters by the year 2100. 70-centimeter extra sea level rise is a huge range that would affect many million more people. Now, the rise in the sea level depends on whether we are able to curb our emissions or not. Now, there happens to be two reasons for rise in sea levels. First, the water itself is very slightly expanding as it warms, with this process responsible for about a third of the total expected sea level rise. Second, the world's largest ice sheets in Antarctica and Greenland are melting into the sea. Once this phenomenon starts, it will be impossible to stop. A new study shows that weather events such as a single storm, a heat wave, have led to important long-term changes. Now, as ice sheets interact with seawater glacier, gradually thin and weaken but remain stable until an abrupt short-term event pushes it over the edge and it rapidly collapses. Now, heat waves affect these ice sheets at a greater scale. For example, a heat wave in July 2023, 67% of the Greenland ice sheet surfacing was melting, compared with around 20% of average July conditions. In 2022, unusually warm rain fell on the ice shelf in Antarctica, causing it to disappear almost overnight. Now, since ice melting does not happen at a uniform time frame, there is high chance of underestimating how much ice will be lost in future. But the big question here is, can it not be monitored? Well, scientists have now prioritized research on ice sheet variability. This means better ice sheet and ocean monitoring systems can capture the effects of short but extreme weather events. This will come from new satellites as well as field data. While it is not known how much the global sea level is going to rise some decades in advance, but scientists believe understanding more about the ice sheets will help refine our predictions. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.